Hello everyone. So we have been solving NJSLA questions, quadratic functions, solving quadratic equations, and the features of quadratic functions. Mostly they are on transformation of the quadratic functions. So another question is here. You can just pause the video and you can try to solve by yourself first. At least you read the question, then we continue. Okay, here in this question, f of x is x squared is given. As you see, f of x is equal to x squared. So from f of x, there is another function which is obtained g of x. G of x is equal to x minus 1 whole square plus 2. So vertex of f of x, as you see, vertex of f of x is 0, 0, comma 0, which is origin. What is the vertex of g of x? Vertex of g of x function is, if you consider the vertex form, which is h x minus h whole square plus k. Okay, so which is g of x function, which is g of x function. So vertex is here h comma k. Okay, so here in this question, vertex 1 comma 2. So what happened to vertex of f of x and shifted to 1 comma 2? If we consider that how vertex is moving from origin to 1 comma 2. Okay, origin is here. Let me choose a different color. Origin is here. So 1 comma 2 is 1 unit right side on the x-axis and 2 units up. Okay, you can extend the y-axis. So your new vertex is here for the geofunction. Means 2 units right side, sorry, 1 unit right side, 2 units upward. Okay, so which one is there? 1 unit right side, 2 units up. So g of x can be drawn 1 unit left, 2 units up. No, 1 unit right, 2 units up. 1 unit right and 2 units up. 1 unit left, no. 1 unit right. 1 unit right, 1 unit right, 2 units down, no. So B will be the correct option. So g of x can be obtained by shifting or by translating f of x function 1 unit right, 2 units up from its vertex. Okay. This question has another part, which is part B. Another function is given, which is h of x. H of x is the result of reflecting the function over the x-axis and translating 1 unit upward. So f of x function is x squared, okay? So in my previous videos, I also explained that reflecting your f of x over the x-axis means taking your graph upside down, because as you know, f of x graph is a parabola facing upward, okay? F of x graph is parabola facing upward. So reflecting this over the x-axis means x-axis is like a mirror. If x-axis is like a mirror, imagine that I highlighted. So if it behave like a mirror, so mirror image will be this graph. As you know, this graph is which is g of x is equal to, let's name a different function, negative x squared, okay? So reflecting over the x-axis, making f of x squared graph is like negative x squared, and 1 unit up. So 1 unit up means, this g of x graph is 1 unit up. 1 unit up means adding g of x here plus 1, okay? So at the end, if I have a h of x function reflecting over the x-axis becoming negative x squared, and taking 1 unit up is adding plus 1, negative x squared plus 1. So I need to see them one by one. So the first option is negative x squared, means negative x times negative x, not negative x squared, okay? Negative x times negative x, still positive x squared. That is positive x squared plus 1. So I didn't get what? I didn't get negative x squared plus 1. Here I get negative x squared plus 1. B is the correct option, but why not others? So let's expand them also. Negative in front of the parentheses is becoming negative x squared, and this negative affects both of them, as you know. So negative x squared, negative 1, which means reflection over the x-axis and 1 unit down, not 1 unit up. Still it is no, okay? This one is negative x plus 1 whole square. It is totally different what we are looking for. Actually, this is horizontal shift. This is not a vertical shift, okay? Even if you expand this, negative x plus 1 whole square is becoming square of the first one, x squared minus 2x plus 1, which is way far away, way negative x squared plus 1, which is also no. Okay? In this question, B option will be correct option. I hope you got the answer. So see you in the next video.